So, we just recently got the request to make a jumbo crackling ball. There's 12 packs in this box. We're going to dump them all out into this plate, and then all out into this tube of newspaper I rolled up. Put a little glue and squeeze it at the bottom, so there's like a little glue plug. It shouldn't explode, but it should be cool. All right, so let's start. This is 12 packs of 6, the whole box of crackling balls. 72 crackling balls. Now I gotta open every single one. Dump out the stars. $72 crackling balls worth of crackling stars. 76.6 grams of stars. This thing's gonna be nuts. All right, wait. So this thing only fit like half the stars. We're gonna have to make another tube. So hopefully this works. Put some glue on the bottom. Waited for it to dry. I cut up a couple of these little fuses to throw them in there just for some added effect. Hopefully they fly around as this thing goes off. So, try and get all the remaining powder. I got the fuse in there. I got it all glued up. Just got to dry a little bit. And we'll try it out. Here goes the jumbo crackling ball. Pretty cool. It didn't blow up. It just blew out the top. Very interesting.